Good morning. My name is DJ Dickinson. I'm a student of Mustafa Damir's TEM194 Sustainability class, and this is my video for week 1 homework. I was asked to take a look at the terms, or listen to the terms, sustainable and development, and describe what comes to mind. And what comes to mind when I think of those two terms blended together is the never-ending and always shifting definition of what sustainability really is. And the definition of sustainability and the ongoing development of sustainability is chasing a finish line that seems to move all the time. That finish line moves for a number of reasons, primarily perspective. What one person deems to be sustainability is nowhere near what, for instance, a business professional might deem to be sustainability. Sustainability covers so many broad areas that it eludes strict definition, and therefore the development of sustainability in our life, in our business, in our architecture, and in all aspects of things that we deem to be important in our quality of life is going to be huge in the upcoming years. I would define sustainable development, even though that this definition will probably shift by the end of my college career. I would define sustainable development primarily as the pursuit of a business model that takes into account, when I say takes into account, a business model that prioritizes, highly prioritizes how the business can A, produce a product or a service that makes it relevant, while B, simultaneously taking the best care of the environment that we use, and C, remain profitable as a business. Because obviously you can't save the world if you, as a company, if your company goes out of business. So that is my definition, and I'm hoping to answer the fourth question I was asked for this video. What am I planning to do with this education? Why am I taking this class? I'm a little bit older than your average freshman, and I've spent much of my life involved in business, my adult life involved in business. And I'm taking this class specifically because I would like to sharpen, to broaden my perspective on what sustainable development, what sustainability defined is outside the business world. One thing that many people, beyond the environmental side of things, and I've already touched on this briefly earlier in the video, one thing that many people overlook in designing sustainability into their business model is the most important facet of a business model, and that is, how is it going to make money? While it's a beautiful, noble pursuit to chase after the Star Trek world where there is no currency and everyone, much in the way Athens was years ago, everyone is in the pursuit of the development of their personal strengths, of their intellectual abilities, of their philosophical opinions. And while that's a great thing to envision somewhere down the road, 100 years, 200 years, as our race develops, now, these days, we have to be able to sustain our business model in order to focus on sustainability in the environment. So I would say that one thing that is a different aspect beyond the environmental aspect of sustainability that many people overlook is sustaining your business as a profitable, investable, scalable, flexible model, and developing that, always staying on the leading edge of that in order to better the environment that we live in order to provide a product that is going to satisfy an ever-changing and a quickly bored consumer marketplace out there, and in order to last long enough to seriously set an example of sustainability in the environment, and to hopefully reap what I think could be extreme financial rewards for doing that correctly. In my opinion, as I wrap this video up, I feel that the marketplace will come running to a company that can do this correctly, and that profitability will not be a problem if it's done in the right way, and if the actual prioritization of that business is to limit its impact, its damaging impact on the environment and the natural resources which are required to propel that business to profitability. Thank you very much for your time, and I look forward to any feedback. Have a great week.